So this looks good enough. Now if we try to submit this, same place, this field is required. If you submit this, we ask it to go to inventory that store. Inventory that store inventory, it's not doing anything right now. It's not doing anything right now. This is what I want us to do. It's not doing anything, no, it's not doing anything. So we need to validate our inputs. So never one of the rules that you need to put in mind is never trust user inputs. Once you want to validate the user's inputs. So with this, I would remove the browser input required thing. I'll remove it off first. So I want us to see how it actually works. And like you would expect, Laravel also creates a way for us to generate validation for our form. So to do this, run PHP artisan make requests. So we have a new item. So if you come under HTTP requests, you have a new item here. For the authorized, return true. So what this does is determine the user is authorized to. So in this authorized method, you might want to check if the user is allowed to perform this particular action. You might want to check if this user and admin user return true or false based on that. But here is where we define our role. We have item. Item is required, and max 255. So what we want is item to be want it to be a required field, and then the max length, which is the number of the highest number of varchar. My score of varchar supports highest of 255, right? So that's what we'll put there. So validate that user doesn't enter something more than that, and also quantity is also required. Same thing, max. No, we don't need a max is integer, so we don't have to worry about it. Yeah, that's it. So we have CSR feed, we have this from our controller. We're injecting the new item request here. So by itself, we don't need to do anything by itself. Laravel, once Laravel detects that, what's been injected is a validation request. It's going to by itself run. It's going to by itself run the rules against the request that is being passed. Very simple and very straightforward. So in this case, let's try this. See what happens. See, the item field is required, the quantity field is required. See that? Let me make this a little more palatable. Let's put some on. Make it text danger. This is also text danger. Let's try submit again. See, yeah, looks good. Is it to identify that there's an error? So here, then this is what we'll do instead. We'll say okay, new item. So let's also we already have the model, the inventory model injected from through the constructor. So let's say new model. Okay, instead, this is what we want to do. We are trying to say that a user has many inventories. So instead, this is what we're doing. We're going to access the particular user. We're going to create the user relationship. Remember, we created the relationship inventories for the user model. We have inventories. The user has many inventories. So based on that, we are going to create new item only. So now this is a request. We are trying to retrieve we are trying to retrieve values from the requests. You can use all, you can use only. If you use all, it's going to get everything from request, but we don't want to use all because there is a CSRF token that's being passed to the request. Or the only two things that we need is the item and quantity. Now this is called mass assignment. Now we are mass assigning now. In other case, we just do all, and the user from their form can inject the ID. Say they will embed an input field with value ID, and then if we just take everything like this and then we submit, they could actually just override the ID in our database and change it to something else. So things could go wrong that way. That's why we had to do the guard that we did earlier. I hope you remember now. So yeah, we're just taking two things, the item and the quantity. And then after doing that, we want to return redirect to routes inventory the all. Yes, inventory the all. Now we have not defined this inventory the all, so let's just quickly do that. Inventory the all is just to show all our inventories. So it's a get request. So we are saying all inventory consider the view inventories inventory the all. So view inventory is what we do now. So now view inventories. Let's change it back to view inventories. View inventories, okay. View inventories would fetch inventories. We can do that by saying this dot inventory all. See, we are calling this on the inventory model now, and then the model will fetch all inventories that have been created from the database, right? But then better still, let's do latest. Latest would fetch it in ascending on like the latest. It should fetch from latest to the oldest. So latest comes first. We get. So return view inventory dot all. Then compact passwords pass inventories to it. So we don't have this view defined, so that's what we need to do now. Define all the PHP. So again, let's just copy from our dashboard. That's a good. And what we want to do is we need to have a dev.core 6. We want to have a table here. Bootstrap table plus table bordered. And then we have th need to have this first. Table, right? And then th. Yeah, good. Item quantity and then action. Yeah, item quantity action. And then t body table row table data. I want to look through at for each. This is how we write for each in blade templates. For each inventories we passed. Remember from our controller we passed inventories to it. That was fetched from database as inventory. Here's the key and value. Then we are going to have key plus 1. That's let me change this back now. Sn inventory. So how do you define this? Database. How do you define this field? Item quantity, alright. Item quantity. And for this, we have class btn.sm. So edit. Alright. This and then at end which. So we would say now we have this here. So we say validate, the validation is right, create inventory for this user. So what this will do is it will enter, it will create the row with the item and quantity that we select, and the user ID will automatically be the logged in user ID here. So that's what this will do. And it will redirect to inventory.all, which is this, and then it will display the inventory. So let's see how that works. So 13 inches, 50, let's see. Alright, so for some reason this is not returning. Let me check why. Oh, we said, oh, look at this mistake. Slash inventory slash creates. Oh, yeah, my bad. Slash creates and with let's redirect back with a success message to the user. The user needs to know that something just happened. With let's call it message. Yeah. So what the with does is it flashes. Laravel provides a method with it flashes this data to the session. So let's call it message success. You just added a new item. So let's go back to all and first let's do margin top 5. You see it was in there. And the next would say at if session has message at end if, then we'll put an alert dev.alert alerts primary session message. So let's see this again. New inventory, 13 inches, 50. Alright, so it's just any item. That's pretty cool. So we can just do as much as we want. Yeah, see. So let's do one last one. Washing machine. So alright, good. So next what we'll be doing is we're going to be editing. We're going to be editing our inventory, and next we'll be deleting the inventory.